She stopped replying, and right now, you are sitting there checking your phone like it owes you something. Here's what nobody tells you. Her pulling away is not rejection. It is a test. And the second you start chasing, you have already failed it. She is not losing interest in you. She is watching to see who you become when she disappears. Most men become desperate, and desperation is the one thing that makes attraction die permanently. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do the moment she goes cold. 3 psychological moves that do not just get her attention back, they completely reset the power dynamic in your favor. Stay until the end. The third one rewires how she sees you forever.
Here is what you are probably doing right now. Double texting. Sending the, "Hey, you okay?" message. Maybe even the, "Did I do something wrong?" message. You are trying to fix something by doing the exact thing that is breaking it. When you chase a woman who pulls away, her brain registers one thing: low value. Not because she is cruel, because her psychology is wired to test emotional strength. The moment you follow her silence with your noise, you hand her all the power. You confirm her doubt. You become predictable. And predictable men are invisible men. Most guys think showing more effort will fix it. It will not. Effort without standards looks like desperation. And here is the part that will change everything for you.
Marcus Aurelius wrote it plainly. You have power over your mind, not outside events. And that single idea is the foundation of what I call the Stoic Reverse Effect. When she pulls away and you go completely silent, not as punishment, not as a game, but as a genuine return to yourself. Something breaks in her psychology. She expected you to chase. She was ready for it. She had the power position locked in. And then you did nothing. You disappeared. Not angrily, calmly, like a man who has somewhere better to be. That calm silence does more to her mind than 100 messages ever could. It creates a vacuum, and nature hates a vacuum. Suddenly, the mental energy she was using to pull away gets redirected. Now she is wondering. Now she is watching. Now you are interesting again. Not because you performed, but because you stopped. The shift is not about games. It is about genuinely becoming unreactive. And here is where it gets truly interesting.
Her brain is not wired to want what is always available. It is wired to want what it might lose. This is not manipulation. This is basic human psychology, and it applies to everyone. When you chase, her brain says safe, available, controllable. When you go quiet and live your life, her brain says, wait, where did he go? That question is the most powerful thing you can create in her mind. You cannot force it. You can only trigger it by becoming genuinely occupied with your own direction. So here is the exact action. The moment she goes cold, you stop. No follow-up, no explanation. You post one photo, not for her, for your life. You go to the gym, call an old friend, start that thing you have been putting off. You become visibly alive without her. When you do that, her mind automatically begins to question its own decision. She starts checking your profile. She starts replaying conversations. You have shifted from the man waiting on her to the man she is now waiting on.
Epictetus said it best. Seek not that the things which happen should happen as you wish, but wish the things which happen to be as they are, and you will have a tranquil flow of life. Stop trying to control her reaction. Control your response. That is where your real power lives. You are not trying to destroy her ego out of revenge. You are reclaiming your own. The man who needs nothing is the most magnetic force in any room, and she already knows it. You just forgot it for a moment. If this hit different, hit that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it tells the algorithm this content matters. Drop your situation in the comments below. I read every single one. Share this with one man in your life who is sitting by his phone tonight. And if you subscribe right now, you will never miss the next weapon. Next video, why she always comes back the moment you truly stop caring, and the one mistake that ruins it every time. Do not miss it.